Hi, this is Abby Rogers with DrySteam. In this video, I'm going to walk through everything you need to have on hand and know in advance for a smooth installation of the water softener. Let's start with the tools and supplies you will need. An approved mechanical drawing or plan to work from, code-compliant pipe suitable for softened water, fittings to run and connect the pipe, mounting brackets and hangers, tools for cutting and connecting the type of pipe used, a few pipe unions to enable maintenance of the system, a level, and of course the water pre-treatment system's IOM. Now we'll walk through the components and connection points you'll be working with during installation. Position the softener tanks where they will be permanently located. 16-inch and smaller tanks are preloaded with softener media. Larger tanks need to be loaded with softener media. See the IOM. Ensure that all tanks and skid are level. Position the tanks to be in line with water connections facing in. Connect water piping from the dechlorinator to the softener head. Connect piping from the brine tank to the softener. Fill the brine tank 1/3 full of softener salt. Run the softener water outlet to the load. Run the water waste discharge to the floor drain. And connect electric power and set time on the softener head. Before you head out to the installation site, here are some things you should verify. Floor space for the unit is clear and ready. Power, water, and drain are available. Access to the space is scheduled correctly according to site protocol. Personnel are available on site to which you may address questions and concerns, and any training requirements should be planned in advance. Installation will take about 3 to 4 hours if everything at the worksite is ready to go. Now you have all the information you need to properly prepare for a smooth installation of water softeners. Taking time to plan and check ahead of installation day will save time in the field and prevent unnecessary return trips.